All right, Ryan Gustafson here, CEDIA 2021, and it's a warm and fuzzy, amazing show. The unity at this show has been truly awesome to have all these people here. Today we're highlighting a really cool new product for outdoor. All the outdoor shades up until now have really never had a beautiful design aspect to them. We wanted Zen 2 to completely change the game, give you extremely hard lines, modern look, and custom colors. In fact, when I say custom colors, actually this can be paintable to match your house 100%. We also wanted to make it install in half the time. All of our dealers have been asking us to make the installation easier than what the entire outdoor industry has been, and therefore we doubled the amount of throw that you have in the zipper track for out of alignment, and we even made it where the tube can snap in and out instantly. So the install of this product from tit to tat is literally half the time of any other outdoor system. We wanted to also take that, since we make roller shades and projection screens, and actually bring the world's first dual-sided projection screen that actually has a zipper track. So what we're showing here is our 360 optic that can be viewed from both sides, and at the push of a button you can actually reverse the image from, say, the pool outside to the gazebo inside or the outdoor porch, and the image will flip. The thing I love the most is it's completely flat and holds it flat with the zipper track system or cable system with wind, is where all the other motorized screens that we've done previously outside would move and basically be out of focus. So products like 360, products like Maestro, which is a woven fabric, can now be used outdoor with a zipper track system and bring your outdoor living space all the way up to, say, 200 inches. So for more information on all of this, visit us at www.screeninnovations.com. Thank you.